In this video, we'll demonstrate how you can customize your all-over print pocket tee using Teespring's design template. To get started, make sure you've downloaded the design template provided in the Teespring launcher. Then open it up in Photoshop or free image editing software like GIMP. In this tutorial, we'll be using Photoshop. As soon as you open the template, you'll be presented with this message. Make sure to read it and then delete this layer. Keep in mind you'll need to cover all of the design template, including the bleed areas marked in pink. Don't forget, if you want to add a specific background color, you can go to the Layers panel and find the layer called Background Color. Double-click the blue box, then choose the background color you like. Adding an all-over design is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is cover up the entire design area of the template. To do this, you can simply drop an image, photo, or pattern onto the template. Something you'll need to consider when using this method is the placement of the pocket on the front. As you can see, the pocket is a separate piece of fabric that is sewn onto the front of the garment. So this means the pocket likely won't match up perfectly with the design placed on the front. You're able to customize the exterior of the pocket. And you can even add design elements inside the pocket too. This is because pocket tees are assembled after print. If you want to customize specific parts of your tee, there are several ways to do this. So let's start with the sleeves. The sleeves are positioned at the top of the design template. Each sleeve is one piece of fabric that folds in half. To have different colors for the sleeves, use the rectangle tool and cover the entire sleeve area, including the bleed. You can also use an image or design here instead, as long as it covers the same space. To add a logo on the sleeves, all you need to do is place the logo across the middle of each sleeve in this position. The collar is made from one piece of fabric that is folded into the inside and outside of the shirt. So here you can see how the part of the collar relates to the mock-up. When adding design elements to the collar, we do not recommend adding logos or text, because these elements may get cut or folded out of view when the garment is assembled. Before exporting your design, first show the layer called Delete Design Check to make sure your design is covering the correct areas of the template. If everything looks good, delete the layers that have the word delete in their names. Next, export your design by going to File, Save As, and select the PNG format. After exporting your design, make sure to check the file size. You should aim to submit design templates that are under 50 MB. If you need to reduce the file size, go back to Photoshop and open up your design template. Once here, go to Image, Image Size, and change the resolution from 150 to 120 or 100, for example. After reducing the resolution, click OK and save the artwork using the same process as before. If the file is still too large, you may need to reduce the resolution again. Just keep in mind that design templates with a resolution lower than 75 will not be processed. Once your design template is ready, you can head back to the Teespring launcher to create your all-over print product.